All right, this is an update for the Ingest IQ AI group project. We have an update with Brendan. He's going to share his more recent contributions to the project. Go ahead, Brendan.
Okay, so here is our app. When you first open this, we'll get this splash screen. And now I can ask the AI to give me some nutrition advice about different ingredients. So let's say I want to know what are the nutritional values of tomatoes. We'll get a response. It'll give us some the AI will give us some information about the nutritional value of tomatoes. And as you'll see here, it's now organized in a list. What's happening here is that the AI is responding in Markdown, and then the app is able to interpret that Markdown so that it appears in a nicely formatted list rather than just a single paragraph. Now, it also has the function to read a nutrition label. So for instance, if I go here, choose a file, I'm going to choose a nutrition label. It's going to read that file, and then it'll take the text, um, it'll take that image and read the text from that file. And then if I hit submit, it will give us some nutritional advice about the calorie label that it just read. So give us the overall calories, break down the various ingredients, and then give a general overview of the nutritional value of the item that we submitted. And that's where the app stands right now. It's obviously we still have some work to do in terms of cleaning up the front end, but we are, I think, well on the way to an MVP.
All right, thank you for that, Brendan. All right, so the next phase is going to be we're going to be um, cleaning up, code on the back end, maybe making it more secure, of course, and then um, cleaning up a little bit this um, I mean that's the feed from the image, right, on the right, lower right.
Yeah, this could definitely use some.
Just maybe a little bit, maybe see if there's anything we can do to clean it up just a little bit.
Yeah, we'll definitely work on that.
And then we need some more. We just need to build out the other pages for the front end and make sure it's fully responsive. And I think we're gonna be good to go after that for the marketing stage. All right, so what's to keep you guys updated? Anybody subscribed? If you're not subscribed, just if you'd like to stay updated on the project, you just subscribe and you'll get alerted when we make a new video. So thank you guys, and then thank you, Brendan.